मोपा आंतरराष्ट्रीय विमानतळाच्या नामकरणा-वयल्यान चलिल्ल्या वादाच्या फाटभुंयेचेर हर्डनचो आमदार ॲडव्होकेट कार्लोस फेरेरान विमानतळाक गोंयचो पयलो विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी दोतोर जॅक सिकेरा आनी नवे जुवारी पुलाक दयानंद बांदोडकाराचें नांव दिवचें अशें म्हणलां. फाटल्या विधानसभेच्या अधिवेशना मजगतीं मोपा विमानतळ आनी नवीन जुवारी पुलाक नांव दिवपाचो प्रस्ताव सभाघरांत मांडपाची आपली इत्सा आशिल्ली, पूण वेळ कमी आशिल्ल्या कारणान हो प्रस्ताव मांडप शक्य जालें ना अशें म्हणीत कार्लोसान खंत उक्तायली.
In fact, at the last assembly session, it was my desire to bring a motion before the House for consideration to name Mopa International Airport after Dr. Jack De Sequeira and our signature Zuari Bridge, the new Zuari Bridge coming up after Goa's first Chief Minister, Bandodkar. You must remember that Dr. Jack De Sequeira is regarded as the father of opinion poll, and it's because of the opinion poll that we have Goa, the Goa which we have today. I have no objection if Mopa International Airport is named after Goa's first Chief Minister, Bandodkar. If that is done, then I feel that Zuari Bridge should be named after Dr. Jack De Sequeira. These are two iconic figures we cannot forget in Goa's history.